Before getting started, a sincere thank you for your purchase of ClickStudio's cabinetry. Hardware adjustments are common after cabinets have been shipped and needed for future use, especially with highly used cabinets. Along with this video, ClickStudios provides a companion cabinet hardware adjustment PDF guide that may provide additional help and details. If the adjustment solutions in both guides don't resolve the alignment issue, please contact our customer service department at customerservice@clickstudios.com or 888-350-1242. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Time. There are a few important notes to go over before getting into door alignment adjustments. ClickStudios uses Bloom. Bloom is the world leader in the manufacturing and production of cabinet hardware. Bloom's Compact Blue Motion is a 6-way adjustable, soft-close, concealed hinge used for all standard cabinets. It's easy to adjust and prevents slamming doors. It's recommended to remove the cabinet doors during installation. It's important to align the cabinet doors after the installation is complete and before decorative cabinet hardware is installed. Before making any adjustments, it's important to know the reveal or gap dimensions between the drawer fronts, doors, and cabinet frame sides. With full overlay doors, the door should be approximately 1/2 inch from the top and bottom of the cabinet face frame and 1/4 inch from the sides of the cabinet frame. For base cabinet, the same dimensions apply with approximately 1/2 inch between doors and all drawer fronts. For inset style cabinets, all gaps between the doors and the face frame will be approximately 1/8 of an inch. The same dimension also applies to base cabinets. The dimensions are approximate as the frames of the cabinet and doors and drawers are manufactured from solid hardwood. Solid hardwood absorbs and releases moisture from the environment, causing hardwood to expand and contract, resulting in minor movement. The Bloom Compact Blue Motion hinge has 3 adjustments to align cabinet doors. The only tool you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. Each hinge on the door will need to be adjusted separately. Depending on the alignment issue, 1 or more adjustments may be needed for the door to align properly. To adjust the doors left-right, rotate the front cam screw to move the door side to side plus or minus 1/16 of an inch. Turn clockwise to move the door to the right and counterclockwise to move the door to the left. To move the doors up and down, loosen the install screws to adjust door position plus or minus 1/8 of an inch, then retighten. To adjust the doors in and out, rotate the rear cam screw to adjust the door gap between the face frame and the door. Turn clockwise to adjust in and counterclockwise to adjust out. For smaller, lighter doors, the Blue Motion soft close may need to be deactivated on one of the hinges for the door to completely close. The door must be closed once for the deactivation to be complete. Concealed hinge inset doors also use Bloom's Compact Blue Motion hinge with a deactivation switch. To adjust the door left or right, rotate the front cam screw to adjust the door plus or minus 2 millimeters. To move the doors up or down, rotate the center cam screw to position the door height plus or minus 2 millimeters. To adjust the doors in or out, rotate the rear spiral cam screw to adjust the gap depth plus or minus 2 to 3 millimeters. Revealed hinge inset doors use a nickel-plated satin-finished barrel hinge that can position doors in 4 directions. To adjust the door left or right, loosen the screws attached to the door, reposition the door plus or minus 1/16 of an inch, and then retighten the screws. To adjust the door up and down, loosen the screws attached to the cabinet frame, reposition the door and hinge plus or minus 1/16 of an inch, and then retighten the screws. Specialty or non-standard cabinets have not been addressed in this video as they have individual adjustment instructions that are available in the Cabinet Hardware Adjustment Guide PDF, or the instructions are provided with the cabinet. Again, thank you for your purchase, and please feel free to contact customer service if you have any further questions.